Every year, millions of students walk into test centers just like this one to take the NEET exam. You are one person standing in an ocean of highly motivated competitors, all chasing the exact same limited number of medical seats. There's a common assumption that the only way to reach prestigious institutions like AIIMS is by locking yourself in a room and studying 16 hours a day. But raw hours alone don't translate to high scores. To beat the curve, you need a mechanical system. By the end of this video, you will have a highly specific, block-based daily schedule, an error tracking system, a spaced revision calendar, and an exact execution strategy for the exam hall. Before we build this system, pause the video and grab the physical tools you will need: your NCERT books, a completely blank notebook, a wall calendar, and your previous year's question materials. If you try to memorize your way through the syllabus without these 4 organizational tools, you will eventually burn out and lose your footing against the students who are systematically tracking their progress. We start by structuring your day using the 3.5-3 time block method. This is the daily operational engine that will keep you moving through the massive syllabus without decision fatigue. Here is your daily planner. Lock in a 3-hour green block for biology, followed by a 2.5-hour blue block for chemistry. In the evening, add a red block, 3 hours for physics. Finally, cap off the night with a dedicated block for MCQs and revision. You cannot rely on waking up feeling motivated to study. Motivation fades after a few weeks. A rigid, written routine tells you exactly what to do and when to do it, removing your daily mood from the equation entirely. By hitting these specific time blocks every single day, you ensure steady progress across all 3 subjects. Over months, this mathematical consistency builds an insurmountable lead over students who only study when they feel up to it. With your schedule locked, we need to talk about your materials. Your NCERT textbooks are your absolute baseline, particularly for biology, where the text serves as your definitive guide. Reading these books requires an active process. You must parse the text line by line and physically flag every single diagram and table for quick reference later. A frequent failure point is stacking up thick reference books or falling into passive video lecture loops, thinking consuming more content equals learning. Focus instead on mastering a single well-highlighted NCERT book. Watching hours of someone else solving problems on a screen gives you a false sense of security. If you aren't doing the calculations yourself, you aren't actually preparing for the exam. Deep, active mastery of your primary resource translates into reliable marks on test day. Superficial exposure to dozens of different study guides simply scatters your attention. Now, pick up that blank notebook you gathered earlier. This is your error notebook, and it functions as your primary diagnostic tool. Set it up with strict columns: the date, the question you missed, the mistake you made, and the correct concept. After every practice exam, log your errors here. Pay close attention to the physics section. It is incredibly tempting to skip logging physics errors because the calculations take time to review. Do not skip them. Document every calculation mistake. If you just take mock tests and move on, you will repeat the same mistakes indefinitely. The error notebook systematically converts blind testing into a targeted process for eliminating your weak spots. Your brain naturally discards information that isn't reviewed. To prevent this, you need a mechanical system to force those memories to lock into place. This calendar demonstrates the 1-7-30 rule. The moment you finish studying a new chapter, mark your calendar to review that specific material exactly 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month later. As the exam approaches, many students make the critical error of cramming brand new chapters instead of trusting their revision cycle. Stick to the schedule and review what you've already learned. Any information you study but fail to review is entirely wasted effort. Scheduling these strict intervals ensures your hard work converts into points on the final paper. All your preparation culminates in the intense, timed environment of the exam room. A flawless study routine means nothing without a strict execution plan. You will handle the test paper using the 1-2-3 sequence. This tactic secures your easiest marks immediately. You dictate the exact order of attack. You complete biology first, you move to chemistry second, and you save physics for last. The logic is straightforward. Getting stuck early on lengthy physics calculations will aggressively drain your clock, leaving guaranteed, quick-to-answer biology marks completely unanswered when time runs out. Your goal is to maximize your total score, not to prove you can solve the hardest problems first. Sticking to this specific sequence ensures you extract every possible point from the paper. Let's look at the system you've built. You have a time-blocked daily schedule, an active error log, a mapped revision calendar, and an ironclad test day strategy. This visual summarizes the entire philosophy of this blueprint. Your NEET rank is simply the sum of your daily consistency, your spaced revision, and your targeted practice. If you strictly execute this blueprint day after day, you move past hoping for a good score. You actively engineer your path toward putting on that white coat and joining the medical community. Your final rank is decided by the actions you take today. Build your system, stick to your blocks, and get to work. If this blueprint helped you, hit the like button, share it with your study groups, and subscribe for more strategies.